Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to use UPI Circle without a traditional bank account. Many people believe a bank account is essential for digital payments, but there are indeed alternative ways to participate. We will explore how you can engage with UPI Circle using different financial instruments. This guide will help you understand the necessary steps and requirements for setting up these non-bank linked payment options, making digital transactions more accessible for everyone. One of the most effective ways to use UPI Circle without a direct bank account is through prepaid payment instruments, commonly known as PPIs. These include various digital wallets that offer UPI-like functionality. After a straightforward registration process, you can load funds into these wallets. Many of these services only require basic Know Your Customer, or KIC, verification, typically involving a government-issued identification document, making them widely accessible. Once you have selected a suitable prepaid wallet or PPI, the next step is to link it to the UPI Circle platform. Funding your digital wallet is typically easy. You can often use cash deposits at designated points, transfer funds from a debit card, or utilize other supported payment methods. Always confirm that your chosen wallet fully supports UPI transactions and maintains a sufficient balance before attempting any payments to ensure smooth and successful transactions. Using UPI Circle with alternative instruments offers significant benefits, primarily the convenience of digital payments without the necessity of a traditional bank account. These methods often come with robust security features, protecting your financial transactions. However, it is crucial to be aware of any daily or monthly transaction limits imposed by the wallet service. Also, understand any potential fees that might be associated with specific services to manage your finances effectively.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.